Hi, ako nga pala si Hades. Don't worry, nickname ko lang yan. Hindi ako nakatira sa baba. Today, samahan nyo kami ni Meatloaf sa aming chill walk dito sa may Bridgetown. It's been a while since our last visit here, so naisip namin na magandang idea na bumalik and just to enjoy a relaxing walk. So look at Meatloaf, diba? Sobrang excited niya na parang siya yung may-ari ng buong place. Every few steps, may bagong inaamoy, may bagong gustong i-check. Alam niya naman ng mga babies natin, kapag bagong environment, talagang curious na curious sila. So one thing I really like about Bridgetown is the open space. Ang lawak ng paligid, presko yung hangin, so kahit maglakad ka lang ng matagal, relaxing pa rin ang feeling. So you see a lot of people jogging, walking their dogs, or just hanging out with friends and family. Perfect talaga siya for pet walks. Si Meatloaf gustong-gusto niya dito kasi marami siyang bagong sense na parang bawat sulok may bagong discovery para sa kanya. So right now, we're just walking around, enjoying the view. Hindi kami nagmamadali, just taking our time. Kasi minsan, ang sarap lang maglakad after a week lang nasa upuan ka lang, nakaharap lang sa computer lang yung mga office workers dyan, yung mga kapwa ko BPO or call centers, nagtatrabaho. Ang ganda rin ng paligid dito, especially kapag medyo palubog na yung araw. Mag-vlog din tayo nun. The lighting looks really nice for photos, videos. So magandang spot din talaga to if you enjoy making contents. So yung Meatloaf naman, tuloy-tuloy lang sa pag-explore. Parang siya yung tour guide namin today. Kung saan siya pupunta, doon kami susunod. Simple moment like this are actually the best. Just, chill walk, fresh air, enjoying the surroundings. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, and follow Tito Hades vlog for more moments like this with Meatloaf. So, ayun na muna for today, guys. Thank you so much for staying with us, and I hope you'll have a wonderful week or having a wonderful week. So, see you guys next time. Thank you so much, guys, for staying. Bye-bye.